Imagine watching the Olympic Games without knowing what any of the sports actually are. Athletes spend years preparing for events that can be over in seconds, while others demand perfect precision, incredible endurance, or flawless teamwork. Some sports have existed for thousands of years, while others are surprisingly new to the Olympic stage. By the end of this video, you'll understand every Olympic sport, what makes each one unique, and why every medal is so difficult to earn. I can do that, but the script is too long to fit in a single response. A complete explainer covering every current Olympic sport would typically be several thousand words. Archery. Archery is a precision sport where athletes shoot arrows at a distant target using a bow. It has roots stretching back thousands of years, when bows were essential tools for hunting and warfare. Modern Olympic archery focuses entirely on accuracy, with competitors aiming for the highest possible score over a series of shots. Even the smallest movement can affect the arrow's path, so control, concentration, and consistency are just as important as strength. Artistic gymnastics. Artistic gymnastics combines strength, flexibility, balance, and coordination through carefully practiced routines. Men and women compete on different sets of apparatus, each demanding unique skills. Events such as the floor exercise, vault, rings, and balance beam challenge athletes to perform difficult movements while making everything appear effortless. It has been part of the modern Olympic Games since the beginning and remains one of the most recognizable Olympic sports. Artistic swimming. Artistic swimming blends swimming, dance, and gymnastics into synchronized routines performed in the water. Athletes move together with remarkable precision while holding difficult positions, often upside down beneath the surface. Judges evaluate artistic impression, synchronization, and technical execution. What appears graceful from above often requires tremendous endurance and breath control below the water. Athletics. Athletics includes running, jumping, throwing, race walking, and combined events. It traces its origins to the ancient Olympic Games and represents some of the most fundamental forms of human competition. Sprinters test explosive speed, distance runners rely on endurance, while field athletes focus on power, technique, and timing. Because it features so many different disciplines, athletics is often considered the centerpiece of the Summer Olympics. Badminton. Badminton is a fast racket sport played with a shuttlecock instead of a ball. Although the shuttlecock is light, it can travel at extraordinary speeds during powerful smashes. Players must react instantly while using precise footwork to cover the court. Originating from games played in Europe and Asia, badminton has become especially popular across countries such as China, Indonesia, Malaysia, and India. Basketball. Basketball pits two teams against each other with the goal of scoring by shooting the ball through a raised hoop. Invented in the late 19th century, it quickly grew into one of the world's most popular sports. Olympic basketball showcases teamwork, athleticism, and quick decision-making, with players constantly shifting between offense and defense throughout the game. 3x3 basketball. 3x3 basketball is a faster version of the traditional game. Played with 3 players on each side and only half of a standard court, matches move at an intense pace with a single basket used by both teams. The shorter format rewards quick scoring, creative playmaking, and non-stop action, giving the Olympic program a modern variation of a familiar sport. Boxing. Boxing is a combat sport where 2 athletes compete by landing clean punches while defending themselves inside the ring. Modern Olympic boxing emphasizes technique, movement, and scoring rather than simply seeking knockouts. Weight classes ensure fair competition, allowing athletes of similar size to face one another. The sport has been part of the Olympic tradition for more than a century and has launched the careers of many legendary fighters. Breaking. Breaking is a dance sport that evolved from hip-hop culture in New York during the 1970s. Competitors perform energetic routines featuring spins, freezes, footwork, and creative transitions while responding to music. Unlike many Olympic sports, there are no fixed routines, making originality and musical interpretation essential. Its Olympic debut reflected the game's effort to connect with newer generations and celebrate different forms of athletic expression.